The, the guard the guard go into the streets and survey the poorest of the poor. Mother Teresa given the 1928 National Award and 1980 Bharat Ratna given the awards. Mother Teresa said Mother Teresa said say we living the God kindness kindness in your face, kindness in your smile, kindness in your eyes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi friends, good evening to everyone. Good evening sir.
Good
This is
evening.
Krishnavini. Today I would like to speak about my ideal person. My ideal person is Mr. Ali sir. He is inspiration to all. He gives knowledge to students. By the grace of Ali sir, so many students well settled in different jobs. He teach how to reach our goal, and also he teach how to face our problems in our life, and he improve our skills and personality development. Today so many people talk English by the grace of Ali sir. Lastly, I want to say one thing. His duty is only to teach English, but he had teaches communication skills and how to survive in the world. Thank you sir for giving this opportunity.
Thank you.
Everyone, I am Vaishnavi. I am recently completed my 10th class in Sri Shajanketan High School. Today I want to discuss with you about the topic my ideal person. My ideal person is Mother Teresa. Because of she helping to the poorest of the poor till his, her end of the life. She supplied the powdered milk and medicines etc. to the poor and beggars. She established slum schools, leprosia and Shishu Bhavans, etc. etc. So my ideal person is Mother Teresa. Thank you for giving this nice type of opportunity.
Thank you.
Myself, Pratibha Chaudhary. I'm telling about that my idol person. My idol person is Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy is final year of her M.Tech in 1974. She was the only lady of her department. She is completed master's degree at IISc in Bangalore. She came across the advertisement for the job in Telco. There was clearly started that lady will not be eligible to apply. Sudha Murthy was seeing this. She is shocked. He protested against to wrote a letter of Tata group of company. Unfortunately, she was called in interview at Pune. She was selected for the job in Telco. She is the only lady of Telco company first floor. Because of her women started working to job in Telco first floor. So this is my opportunity.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My
My ideal person.
My ideal person, Mahatma Gandhi, is father of nation. My name is Farhana. I want to discuss about
projects in India to make India self-sufficient in food production, and he developed India in science and technology, and he opened the schools and universities to develop India in education. Thank you.
Thank you. Good evening.
Good evening, my friends. My ideal person is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great father of the nation. He was freedom. He was food for the freedom. He was brilliant student. He went to the English. He was art law examination. He became rich. Mahatma. He was a barrister. He raised against freedom of the Mahatma Gandhi. He come back in India in 1905. He raised the freedom of the 10th August 1947. He was dead, shot dead in January 30, 1948. Thank you for the given opportunity, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening, friends. This is Akash Reddy in Answer English Academy. I want to tell about the words of my ideal person. My ideal person is my mother. My mother name is Mrs. Gayatri. Mrs. Gayatri. She studied 10th class in Gnana Jyoti Vidya Mandir in Bangalore. She studied intermediate. She is intelligent. She is now homemaker. I am only son of her. She never beat me. She donated the money and food to poor people. She helps the poor people. I want to tell about the words of Mother is God on the earth, and you kind mother and God yourself. Thank you this giving the opportunity.
Thank you.
Myself, Malana Sabha, I am telling about my ideal person of Chandrasekhar Azad. First of all, Chandrasekhar Azad is not her name. Chandrasekhar Azad and Chandrasekhar Tiwari. First of all, he was born in 23 July 1906. Bahra village, Alarpur district in present. First, his occupation is Revolution Publication Association, and is Chandrasekhar Azad was great person and freedom fighter of our India, and after he was made about our India formation of good leader of the political activist, and he is the created one revolution publication association and what and guide in some emotional actions to be created in her childhood. First of all, his mother name is Jagrani Devi, and her father name is Sitaram, and he was first he was in our childhood. Our forefather village to her schooling life is started, and after he will her mother her
His
mother,
his mother.
his mother was I some identified her son in a Samskruti Kalashala, and our son was settled in good life, and to be in our father said our father's town in Kasi.
His father.
In Kasi. And after Chandrasekhar was in 15 years old, on that time, December 31st, 1921, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was and British people against the cooperation of movement on that time. He will participate in. Chandrasekhar Azad was 15 years old on that time. British police arrested, and 15 days remanded her. Remanded him in 15 days, and after her name was changed by.
His name was.
His name was changed by the Azad, Chandrasekhar Azad, and after he was action and played in a revolution publication association, and some of the group of peoples to trained and guided him, and shooting rifles and whatever it may be. Thanks for listening.
Thank you.
Respected Alistair sir, today standing before you to express my feelings on the topic of ideal person. My ideal person is Mother Teresa, because let me say about a few words in Mother Teresa. She was born on August 20, 1910 in Yugoslavia. She became a nun and came to India. She was started in visiting the slum to help the poor people and feed them. She hard worker in the world. She opened school in slum in Calcutta. She decided to slum whole life whole life fighting poverty, hunger and disease. See, that's why I like Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa because her care of patients and care of patients and serve the poor people. That's why I am in my future serve the poor people. Alisa giving me good enough, giving me this platinum opportunity. Thank you, Ananda.
Thank you.
Today's our topic is ideal person. Generally, most of us bunk college or school when we get fever, cold or cough. Unlike this, a boy of 20 age, he whose hands and legs are paralyzed and his throat muted and his throat is muted. And he is studied in a wheelchair and became a world famous scientist. He is none other than Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking, born in England. In his childhood, he had a lot of doubts on universe, how the universe is created, how the universe is like this, and how the universe started, and when we come in this universe. In a high school level, his teachers appreciated him because of his creative thinking. At the age of 16, he made a computer by using some instruments in a telephone exchange. At the age of 20, he was attacked by a dreadful disease, motor nervous disease. The doctors told him, and the doctors tested him and told that he won't born more than 2 years, but his willpowerness and hardworking nature and his passion towards the education, he completed his PhD before 1 year before eligibility PhD. His researches, namely on black holes and space researches. Because of these researches, he received Society of Royal Award and Einstein Award. He wrote some books, like namely a brief history and the grand design. In the book of grand design, he said that God did not created this universe, and from the age of 20 years and still now he is alive at the age of 71. He used his mind and create miracles and shows the power of mind. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. Myself, Srigamana. Today, the topic which I am discussing about my ideal person. My ideal person is my school teacher, Mr. Hanuman Reddy. He is not a great person, but humble, dare and peaceful person. I liked his mentality and his thoughts. Sometimes he feels about spoil the environment. he told us to save the environment and plant the trees. Once I am a poor student in the class. From his speeches, I would become a good student in the class. I follow always his qualities and qualities. He told me how to live in the present generation and giving some health tips. Unfortunately, he was died with an accident last year, and also died his wife. I feel very sad about his death. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Respected sir, good evening all of you. Now I am discussing about my ideal person. My ideal person is Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu. He is the one of the great. He is the one of the best and noble person in our Islam. He is the noble of servant of our Muhammad Prophet, Messenger Muhammad Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is the one of the noble person, and he never believed. I like him because he never had lived namaz in a day. He had praying 5 times namaz in a day. Tahajjud namaz he had attended. He never lived our Muhammad Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam alone. He had always together of our Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He had hard work in our Islam, so I like him. I want also hard work to our Islam to get a best name in Islam. How our Abu Bakr Siddiq, our Muhammad Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had said, after my caste, the another noble caste is Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu. So I want to become like him. Thanks for listening my demo, respected sir.
Thank you. Good
Good evening friends, myself Tikala Basha. Today I tell about my ideal person. My ideal person is Azim Premji. He is born 24 July 1945. He is the business tycoon and chairman of Wipro Limited. It is the one of India's largest software development companies. Azim Premji is the amazing person to know. He is interested on life. His life is billionaire. He was voted among 20 most powerful men in the world by Asia. Azim Premji is often known as Indian Bill Gates. That's why I am praised from him. I wish we could come across more like him. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Today I am going to discuss you about my ideal person. My ideal person is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He had born on October 2nd, 1869. 1869. His parents are Putlibai and Karamchand. His weapons are truth and non-violence. He did many movements in India, such as Quit India movement and Salt Satyagraha movement. In Quit India movement, he gave one slogan, that is Do or Die movement. Thank you.
Namaste friends. This is Rajeshwari. I am working in Alur as a teacher. Hindi teacher. My ideal person is Jhansi Lakshmi. Jhansi Lakshmibai. Jhansi Lakshmibai was born on 1835. Her father took care about her. She studied very well with Nana Sahib. She is a dare person in Maratha people. She first time she opposed to Britishers. She controlled her kingdom till his husband death. Thank you.
Thank you.